Welcome to iINTELLIGENCEi. Dear friends, today's topic is how to customize text in Microsoft Word. So this is the document. I need to customize this. Customize in the sense I need to change the font size, make it bold or make it underline or all these things, right? Or change the font size. So that's what we call it as customizing the text. So suppose see, okay. So this is the heading, the text. So if I want to make it bold, what I have to do is, suppose I want to increase the font size. Just go to font size. It is available in the home button. Okay. Change the font size from 11 to 18. Right. Okay, good. Now, if I want to change the font, okay, now to go to home, then font name. Just click it. See, various fonts are there. Arial or book Antigua. Right. You can select from the various options which are available. Georgia. Then when you click on the text, that will be applied. Okay. So most of us use Times New Roman. So I'm just selecting the text and converting into Times New Roman. Okay. This is the standard font size that normally people use. Okay. Also, the font size, the text has to be not 11, mostly 12. This is standard size. Then you can also align the text. So in order to align the text, then you have to go to home, then click this button, text alignment. When you move the cursor on the icon, it will display. This increase indent, decrease indent, numbering, bullets. Okay. So now, if you move the cursor on it, the text alignment, click on that. So this is align left, this is align center, this is align right, this is justify. I want to justify it, so click on that. Justify means both sides it will be U. It will be on a same line. So it looks neat. Okay. Now, if I want to make this text color, or if I want to change the color of the second paragraph, this is black in color, all are black in color. If I want to change the color of the text, go to home. So when you move the cursor on it, says highlight, then font color. Okay. Click on the font color. There will be numerous number of options available. Right. Suppose you want to have it red, click on the red. Then click on the text. Now the text has been changed to font. The text has been changed to font color has been changed to red. Or if you don't like it, you want to change it to some other color, select on the text. It is very important to select. Then click on this font green. So click either greens or blue. Okay. I'm selecting dark green. Okay. This is green color. Now I want to make it much more darker. That is darker in the sense bold. So I need to select the text which you want to make it bold. Move the cursor here. So click on this bold. Looks much more darker. Okay. Then suppose I want to make this text underline. So select on the text, click underline. See here, now underline has been applied. Now suppose I want to highlight the text. So only this part I want to highlight. So such cases, go to highlight, click on the highlight. Right? The text has been highlighted. Okay. So this is a process how to customize text in Microsoft Word. Okay. There are numerous other ways to do it. Okay. These are some of the basic customization techniques in customization of text in Microsoft Word. Okay. Thank you, friends. Hope you enjoy customizing the text in Microsoft Word. Thank you, friends.
Thank you so much for watching.